intimidated, Lord, and I just pray she would be at peace. And let her release a good word, something that's going to shake somebody up, Lord. I pray you bless her, Lord, and draw her closer to you than she's ever been before. Give her a blessed flight wherever she's going, Lord, and let the angels of God encamp around her. Draw her closer to you than she's ever been before. In Jesus' name.
Thank you. Amen. Can I get that?
Yes, yeah.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Backyard D, and I'm back here with another banger video. Alright, y'all. So, I know you've seen me, and I've been missing for months. I'll get into that later, but as you can see, I'm currently in the bathroom, and I'm at the airport. Where am I going? Y'all gotta tune in. But this should about be very good, and hopefully I got enough storage. And if y'all can't hear me, I'm so sorry, but we gonna figure this out. I'm gonna get into everything later, and right now I'm at the airport, about to head out, figure out where I'm going very soon. Love y'all. Bye.
No stress, much less, start from nothing. Lights hot, still blessed. Whole walking testimony. Feel lost, still blessed. I stretch, touch the money. Then I follow. We say you're going and he's the goal. Planting me a seed and watch it grow. Travel overseas and cross the globe. Running to survive is all I know.
Alright, y'all, so we have made it, and we are, should I tell y'all where we at? I don't know if I want to tell y'all. I ain't gonna tell y'all yet, but we about to go to the B&B, and yeah, y'all, it's my birthday weekend. We about to live it up in here, so tune in, enjoy, and I'm trying to record as much as I can, y'all. Bear with me, I haven't recorded in mad long, so it feels mad weird, and I don't have my stick, so yeah, but we'll figure it out, y'all. Love y'all. So guys, after being lost for about like 5 minutes, we finally found our way. This airport is mad dry. When I get to the B&B, I'll let y'all know where I'm at though. Oh, look at the birthday card. Hold on. Where he going? Where he going? Right over here. Where you going? Hello. Good, how are you? So yeah, we are in our Uber. Yeah. Go ahead and tell me, and I'll let you know where we at once we get there. So yeah, I could finally stop being shy and record. So we're gonna start off the vlog, right? What's up, guys? It's your girl, Backyard D, and I'm back here with another banger video. I don't know why I'm being so shy still, but yeah, it's been so long since I recorded. I know, I'm so sorry, y'all. I just didn't have no storage. A lot has happened, you know. I just been living life to the fullest, you know. But as you can see, I'm still recording on my phone. Tune in, camera coming soon, don't mind that. But as you can see, I'm in a different setting. Of course, today is September 16th. Okay, my birthday's in 2 days. So let me show y'all where I'm at. And I'm gonna tell you where I'm at. Okay, y'all. Welcome to my new house for today, you know. So we got this little area right here. And then we have, don't mind the suitcase. And then we have a little mirror right here, which I don't know who can see that because I'm too short for that. Then we got our first bedroom right here. This is so cute, y'all. So cute. So freaking cute. Ooh, and the fan is fanning, okay? And then this is our second room. So cute. So freaking cute. They even come with towels and stuff. Tune into the B-Day nails. You know I gotta do it every year, every time. Okay. And then come over here. We have a closet. my gosh, wait. Yeah. And then come in here, we got a bathroom. It goes about Gal D, aka Winter. I wanna see like this and like that. We got our shower. And then we come over here. And then we have our laundry, our laundry and dryer, which I don't know. What's this, the garage, I'm guessing? Oh my God, wait, no, it's too dark. I'm sorry. Yeah, I just got mad scared. And it's thunder and lightning outside, y'all. Oh my God, this garage is hot as fuck. All right, yeah. And then we got a little, oh my God, look at the pictures and what, I didn't even see this. This is so cute. We have our kitchen where I'm gonna be stepping it up, because if you don't know, then you know. I'm Mrs. They don't call me Chef D for nothing, you know? So I'm just shoving it up in here. Even though it's my birthday, I shouldn't be touching shit. I'm just shoving it up. Because that's just what I do. They don't call me Chef D for nothing. Oh my God, this shit just let it by itself. And today's the 16th of September. Yeah. And then we have a little Netflix and chill. Where we gonna be watching movies. You see the projector. Don't fuck around. And we have our living room. High ceilings, you know. I'm about to have a baby soon, so that's why we got a carriage, because baby in the carriage. I will show y'all outside, but it's raining and I'm not messing around here. I guess this one did not look good. I don't know what's in here. Yo. Okay. And my blanket is crazy. And this is the master bathroom. Big ass mirror, I love it. I love it here. So you got this jacuzzi. Let me see the room. This is a bathroom? The toilet? Oh, for your shitty ass. Your shitty ass butt. And then you got the shower right there. Oh, this is so cute. And then you got a big ass closet. And this is the bedroom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all tune into the hair real quick. Hold on. Tune to the nails, tune to the lashes, tune to the hair, lace wear, the... Okay, yeah. So for real, I am in Houston, Texas.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road.
This year, I wasn't planning on doing nothing, but I got a little surprise, a little birthday gift. Thank you. And I got sent to Houston. I'm in Houston, y'all. We about to live it up. I'm about to get drunk as fuck. I'm about to live my best fucking life. Oh my God! Why would you scare me like that? And yeah, I'm about to be drunk as fuck and live my best fucking life. And I hope you know that you're in my vlog and I'm not cutting this out. I'm not doing it again. So you better say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Okay. I have to say thank you. Thank you very much for my birthday gift. This headache. We do got more people coming in. Some people baited, some people couldn't make it. It is what it is. We still gonna live it up. But we gonna miss y'all. My phone is dying, y'all. On that note, I love y'all. And I'm back, and I'm not going nowhere. Nah, I probably won't be back until I get my camera for real. I hope y'all enjoying this vlog. I love y'all. Bye. Alright, that's enough. Only a few seconds. Anyways, y'all. So yeah, we didn't really do nothing, y'all. So all I did was this. And yeah, this was all cleaned and everything like that, but we just took a shower. So we're supposed to be going go-kart riding, racing, whatever you want to call it. But, you know, everyone want to be lazy. Like, they don't care about my birthday. No, we stop. But it just makes no sense because of the time right now. It's currently, like, going on 9 o'clock, I think. So we probably just gonna get some licks and just chill, vibe it out for tonight until everybody come tomorrow. And then we gonna have a party. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, this is the fit, the second fit. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Let me show y'all the second fit of the day. Let me show y'all the second fit of the day. All right, y'all, so this is the second fit.
So we in Texas, getting a cut. My Spanish barber, no English, right? Yeah, we about to do this, you feel me? We about to do good.
Young and she comes to fuck. When I breast and she link it up a Barbican, I want my peak her up. I'm on her neck, I'ma fuck her hard.
How do you do that?
I told you by the time I got back outside.
The other room, I slept in the other one. Bro.
I don't really understand. Like, you're
Oh, wait, it's the car! Break! I'm so glad I'm recording!
it's not fucking funny. Get me the fuck out of here. I'm going home. I'm dead going home.
Wait, for what? Just because he
You're on my fucking bed. That's fucking
already.
disgusting. That's mad disrespectful.
I blacked on him.
Like,
you want me to show you which one?
why is it? No, I'm not. I'll sleep on the fucking couch.
No, it's
No,
right there.
let me just show you
This
which
is the one
one.
that nobody slept on.
That's the right back.
This is how I hold it?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
Shut up. I don't know what I'm aiming at. I thought I was
You
aiming.
hit the 9.
Yeah.
I hit the
Aim for the
9?
X
Uh-huh.
or the head.
Aim for the head, you said?
Yeah. I bet. I don't know what you
I don't have
hit.
my glasses on.
No, but she's actually close. It's not like she's far off.
I don't know what she just hit.
She grazed the head.
Alright.
That was better.
Yeah.
You
That
almost
it?
got him a
That's it.
frontal lobotomy.
Huh?
You almost gave him a frontal lobotomy. That's not bad.
I don't even know
For
where
the
I'm
first
at.
time.
I don't have glasses on. I don't have my glasses on.
That was your first one.
Okay.
That was your last one.
Okay.
That was the
You
second
tore
to
out his
last.
carotid.
Oh, he's gone. He's dead.
Yeah, and these two are very good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
So, okay.
We'll try.
No, she did
That was
good.
fun.
It was fun.
I want to try with that baby gun. I want to try with your baby gun. I try with the baby gun.
Black 40 on my belly, my clotty, but I'm with the shed action.
I'm so excited.
Air Force white like cheese. My clutch, I got lava visa. Designer beat and cologne, I create dark. Stop, my wicked get up on her. Yo, Falcon. Black 40 on my belly, my clotty, but I'm with the shed action. When she ready. High grade, lift my.
How are you? Say hi, guys.
She over there and looking shit.
She's so quaking.
I'll say some love.
One day I'll find you a good man, alright?
Can you find me one?
find good friends.
He got locked up.
Who?
Can you find me a decent one? Can you find me one?
Yeah, he wasn't decent.
No, he was decent. First happy hour. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. See before any shots, y'all. This is me. This is Callie before any shots. This is Carl before any shots. Okay. We're right now at 0. You see the shots on the table. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I don't know my password.
You better watch out. Hot somebody bringing the cops out. Come on.
Now Billy dance.
Like it's your birthday. Like it's your birthday. Are we in the club? Let me get them. Yeah. This way. Yep. Good job. Alright, ready? Oh my God, Carl. It's all over.
Alright, let's go.
I understand. Wait, I'm not in it. Ready? Am I in it? Am I in it? You could just tap. Ready? Tap it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's my birthday! Thank you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Can't believe I was asking for change. Can't believe that this shit really changed.
Stiff breast, I will just run it contact. Girl skin out the pussy, make my fuck it from back. And I was in, I'ma take the can back. And if the job won't tired, girl suck you and stop. Oh my job won't feel tired, so you can't speak. I fuck you because you want fuck. Can't sleep. Girl bounce pan the booty, don't call creep. Call me a daddy, call me and make your charge it. Change up my tone, pan the line and you fall feet. Don't set skull, you better send in my ass feet. Face it's pan it to all road.
I'm so excited. Friend, where are you? Oh my God. I'm near my family. Do you see my family?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, what the hell's in here? What's that? Why yours look so tiny?
Nigga, you don't see
that's
how little
valid.
his head? Alright, y'all parlaying right now. Come on. I got Firepoint. We besties. Hey, bestie. He's scared. Wait, I want to give him a carrot.
That cat was gone with the quickness.
Hey, you just got a crack. You just got a carrot.
I'm gonna rock with this.
I feel like a proud mom. Look at Carl over there. They're getting Carl on right now. I'm on a horse, yeah.
Tell me nothing.
So y'all, it's my birthday and I'm in Houston, Texas, and my baby hair is looking real crazy right now. Me and everybody is riding horses for me. They made me breakfast this morning. And yeah, y'all, so tune into what we do next. We're supposed to go to the spa, but everybody baited on the spa now, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do next. Tune in for that. Say hi, guys. I'm not playing with my horse today, you know. You don't know if it's up eat. You know, you're not supposed to eat. Yo, wrong with you? He's lying his ass off. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Mine getting a little too happy. We around too much grass. At least you loyal to your horse. Go ahead, feed your horse. Hi. Oh, 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 look at your teeth. Hi. Yeah, she's scared. Wait. Oh my God. Yeah. They like. Ew, ew.
Yeah.
Get me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Been inside money before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate the 6 figures for a paddock, it's gorgeous. Diamond links on my wrist, full of points. Link on my neck, bitch, it's gorgeous. I eat the most, those 10, it's enormous. I love staring at my bitch, she gorgeous. She loves staring at my kid, it's gorgeous. My little bitch say her favorite word.
These bitches so cranky, hit my hanky. But mommy, I'm cold, in my blankie. Flyer than the crate, I get higher than a pencil. Keep it slow way, I could buy it by the bundle. Stuck your cookies up where they crumble. That's why I got more head than a big deal. And bitches can't fit in me, cause I ride it good. I'm not real, I ride it good. And we see it, itty in the market. Like, I'm Nicki Minaj, Nicki Lewinsky, Nicki the Ninja, Nicki the Boss, nigga have a Juke Bobby. Like, I mean, I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like, give it up. It's me. I win. You lose. Oh, shit. Yeah.
So we're at the arcade / race car driving something. I hope I don't have to change my outfit because no. Yo! Winter!
What time it is?
Yo, back the fuck up!
None of that. What you talking about, nigga? Ain't no none of that.
Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Go ahead and fuck up.
Hey, baby!
Oh, why is the girl letting him in? Why is the girl letting him in?
None of
What's it gonna do with him?
That's a bet. That's a bet. Ready? Go. Wait, hold on. The computer be changing. The computer be changing. The computer be changing. Nah, you're bugging. Nah, he's bugging. Nah, you're bugging.
Yo, what the fuck? Come on!
1, 2, 3. Nah, the computer's bugging. Don't worry. Let's go. It's bugging, bro. I was jogging here, bro. Let's go.
Let's go.
She look good.
Come on. No, open. Yeah. But like.
You talking about right here?
Yeah.
I mean,
It's
I
gonna
guess.
look so cute.
I just don't want the
What's that?
It's a crease. It's gonna go in the crease of her eyes. It's so okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Keep loading that empty gun, bitch. Like I won't give you something to load.
I need to put some.
Beef, we pull up on them with Big Mac, Ash, okay? What's the
You're 22. You're 22. Tú atacando.
a nigga out the hood, but you can't take the nigga the hood out of nigga. Got the fucking put on the wall. Behind the scenes of King Carl's pictures.
Take my video?
Go ahead.
She happy, 5-star meal, yeah, get up. For me, cause Carl Pockets is gone, right? It's like, I left my wallet home tonight.
Hey,
Rocky.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Can somebody sing with me?
Nah, you got it.
Baby. Alright, let me see some ass.
You're 22. You're 22. Tú atacando. You're 22. Tú atacando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my love on you.
Yo, make it surprise you a little bit. Yo, bring target closer. You know where to put it. That is his eye. You missed, but still.
She love Batman. Batman. She love
Let's try
Batman.
to go down.
She love Batman. Batman. She love Batman. Batman. She love Batman. She love gangster action. Me say where you are, she say back shot. Damn! She away from me fat cap 134 hashtag. East side like caption, so she bring 100 and hot girl. She love Batman. She love Batman. Batman. She love Batman. Batman. She love Batman. She love gunmen, don't fret me, we make your man have to run away.
Let's go.
Here with me bust this, so me bust in your belly Sunday.
What's he get like that? That's my sister get like that. Wait, where they get? Where they hit? What you mean? Right in the chest? I bad.
She love Batman.
Okay, bye.